some of this off. This is ridiculous. We're ready. So we are somewhere. The only thing I recognize is a lake on the way here, Duck Lake. And we're past that somewhere. We go down the trail, go down a little bit of grid, and then we're at wherever we're supposed to be going. Semi-planned last minute ride, but we got whoever would come. It is Thanksgiving weekend, so the herd's a little thin. Everyone's rolling around with full stomachs, but see, what do we get up to anyway? There was a cat or something on my quad. Good to go. Deep in there? That a boy. Take a side-by-side through there, that's for sure. Those ruts will drag you everywhere. Found a spot. Found something. No idea what we found. She's thick. Want to see what that is? All right, I'm good. Backs out. Oh, he might get it. he's just gonna keep getting worse, or do you want to tug?
What wouldn't turn out?
Now we're both gonna get stuck. Nowhere fast. Stuff's thick. Wow, yeah. Should probably give my belt a minute. That stuff's slimy.
Huh?
That is some slimy stuff.
Oh yeah, pretty nasty. At least it doesn't stink.
Oh, it stinks.
I can't smell.
Pretty early for slimy, but here we are. How'd you make out? I can't see a frickin' thing. Well, when the going's good, we should get another zip through that hole. Why not? Is four-wheel going? There's some trail, some dirt bike up there. Atta boy. Oh my God, I don't even know where I am. My goggles are packed. Hope you I can't see a thing. my camera got that because I didn't. So cold.
It is really cold.
Oh my god, it's cold.
Your shirt is.
Do you need like a 5-minute warm up?
Go for it. Go, 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 go. Don't let go of that throttle there. He's almost got it. Ah, that's the spot that got me earlier. Oh yeah. Oh man. Holy shit. This is weird. My mouth is right behind that.
How does that smell?
I didn't smell it, so
You're in
that's
like
good.
wrench mode, by the way.
Oh, that's not good.
On that hoover for time. Yeah, why do you lick your lips? I got dirt on my lips.
That wasn't as bad as the last swamp I ate.
That guy.
Okay, go hit it. And don't get stuck.
Oh yeah.
I told you to avoid the left.
Oh, this is only gonna get worse.
All 4 horsepower. Go, go, go. Why does it go so much better in reverse? Where are you going? Oh man. I better hold on to this GoPro tight or I'm gonna lose it forever. That's a really good free spool. You better go for a redemption run.
Me?
Yeah. Oh my god. Ah!
I always got reverse.
Not for long. Don't go left. What did I tell you?
I'm trying. Oh, this is not a stuck.
It's looking a lot like a stuck to me.
Well, I'll move over.
Go, 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 go! Oh,
There's no way he makes this in one pass. Don't go that way. No, it's the same hole.
It is weird that the reverse does so well on that thing. He's like reverse wheeling. Oh man, yeah, you got it. Oh my lord. We gotta we gotta clean this thing up.
Okay, I need 10 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Look at this stuff. Oh man, you thought you had it bad the last time. Look at this.
Dude, it's like sizzling.
I feel like you should let it run for like a couple minutes.
My rad fan wasn't even on. Drake, I've never seen you toots that hard.
Hopefully it's recording. We just had to pull off about 8 pounds of skeg from the frames. Oh yeah. That can't be good. Good spot. We're chasing cows. Only here can you be stuck behind cattle on the trail. Oh man. Are we stopping here?